them really wide.
Yeah.
So they don't touch.
Oh yeah, you're right, they don't. Maybe because of the...
So that would be
What
less
if they were
friction.
magnetic? Wouldn't the whole thing stick together?
No. Maybe if they're all like the north or south polar.
Oh, maybe. I'm gonna watch it right now. And it put the broom right back where it went. Like right from... When I grow up, I'm gonna create a robot that can build Jenga.
In like pieces.
So much air?
No, there's something that comes out of there.
There is something that comes out of there. You're right.
It's like a tongue. That's weird.
Yeah, it does look like a snake's tongue. What? Look at that.
Oh.
Clean up the mess.
This too can be yours for the low price of $750,000.
Yes.